Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Stitch Fix. If you notice, the background is a little bit different. I am in my new studio. You may also notice that there is an echo. That's because there's nothing in this room. So if that comes across strange on the video, I apologize, but right now we're just in the process of figuring out what the best angles are in this room and, where I'm going to place furniture and where I'm going to hang stuff, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, we have Stitch Fix. There will be a playlist down below. If you are not familiar with what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing styling service, but there will be a playlist linked down below if you guys want to watch through that. There's all kinds of information on Stitch Fix throughout my videos. I do currently have a link that if you use the link, you get $50 towards your first fix. It's an affiliate program. Anybody that signs up with Stitch Fix is a part of the affiliate program. It's nothing special to me or anything like that. Anyway, you get on, you fill out a profile, you get a stylist, blah, 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 blah. Like I said, more information down below. Let's get into Stitch Fix. So you open it up and you do get a return bag with a return shipping label. So anything that you don't keep, you just put it in the bag and toss it back in the mail. And as I mentioned, you do get 5 items. They come inside a burrito like this. You also get a style card. I will put a picture up on the screen of this along with my note if you'd like to read my note. But basically all this does is give you ideas on how to style your pieces. You also get an invoice sheet. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. Ooh, this is a little steep. Okie dokie. For this fix, if I keep the whole fix, my order will cost $342. But I will not be keeping the whole fix because I did peek and I'm not sure how I feel about some of the pieces that were sent to me. So let's get into this. So first up we have by 41 Hawthorne, the Samaya keyhole detailed blouse in black in a size small for $68. And we also have the Sam Elderman, the stiletto ankle coated skinny pant or skinny jeans, I don't know, it's cut off, in burgundy in a 4 petite for $118. I actually think that both of these are really cute. I do like the maroon leather coating of the pants, and I do like the keyhole detail in the bell sleeve of the top. However, I have 3 pairs of pants almost exactly like this, except not as tight. And I really don't care for how tight they actually are. Like when I sit down, I feel like my knees are going to bust through the material. And every time I bend over, I feel like my butt crack is popping out, so these pants are going to be a no. The shirt will go into the maybe pile. So next we have the Lowry knit jumpsuit by Goldray in black in a small petite for $78. I think this is a cute jumpsuit. I think that it's nice. It does feel really soft, but jumpsuits just aren't for me. For those of you that don't know, I have a bladder disease, which basically makes me go to the bathroom 100 times in a day, and so wearing a jumpsuit is just not very practical for me, especially if it has some sort of a zipper or buttons in the back that I need help with. So this is definitely a no. But for those of you that do like jumpsuits, it's really comfortable. It's not too tight in the crotch area. I know that some jumpsuits have a shorter torso, and so I don't feel like that is the case with this. I feel like it is comfortable in that area when standing and when sitting. It has pockets. I don't know. It's cute. It's comfortable, but just not for me. So next we have the Calvin Klein dresses. The Solana knit dress in cobalt in a 4 petite for $114. I think maybe I need to stop getting things in petite, because since this stylist has been sending me stuff in petite, I feel like everything in petite is just a little bit smaller, And while I'm short and I need petite as far as length is concerned, I also feel like petite is smaller in all the other areas too. I am not digging the way these armholes are fitting. They feel really tight and uncomfortable. It's super tight across my bust, and I don't like the way you can see my bra strap in the back. I don't know, I feel like there's something about petite clothing that I've gotten in the last couple of boxes that just are too small. I don't know. You guys tell me down in the comments. Do you feel like petite clothing is smaller all the way around, or do you feel like petite clothing is just petite where you need it to be petite? And last we have by Collective Concepts the Erica Crochet Trim Dress in a small for $78. I am not a big floral person. I do love the color red. I do like the crochet detail, but this dress, again, the material isn't stretchy. So there is no room across my bust. You can see how the material is buckling or stretching, and then there's also like no room in the arms. That's all the further I can lift up my arms. So unfortunately, this dress is going to be a no. Alright you guys, so that was Stitch Fix. I think I'm just going to go ahead and send everything back. The only thing that was a maybe for me was the black top, but I'm just going to go ahead and send that back because that top was $68, and I don't know, I don't think that I liked it enough to warrant paying the $68 for it, because you know, there's no discount if you just keep one item or whatnot. So I think this is the third or fourth fix with this new stylist, so I think that I am going to request a different stylist. I think that she's just maybe, I mean, like the sizing thing isn't really her issue. I mean, that's not the thing. I feel like maybe she just doesn't understand my style. So I think that I will ask for a new stylist. That was Stitch Fix. If you guys like these things and you have Stitch Fix, then request them, but these things just weren't for me. Have a great day. Bye.